Write this for 30 seconds and the universe will bring it to you. It's that easy. The money you desire, the love you crave, the health and happiness that you deserve. 30 seconds away. Here we go. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high. Like a big, beautiful eagle, we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, want to remind you to get your free ebook, 5 Secrets to Attracting Your Specific Person. It's easy to download. It's absolutely free. And you can claim it at lawofattractionsolutions.com. I want to have this ebook in your hands to help you with the love that you deserve. Now, high flyers, so many of the techniques require that you've read a lot of books, watched a lot of movies. This doesn't require any of that. All you need is a pen and a tablet. That's it. And if you have that, you can manifest, and it's fast. You know, I'm blessed to have friends and clients all over the world, and some of them have used this simple technique. They've said, Robert, I don't understand how to do all these other techniques, water technique and vision boards, etc. I just want something simple that will work for me and is effective. Others have said, hey, I've studied the law of attraction, but I'm busy. I work 18 hours a day. And so I'm looking for something that I can slip in there that will help me manifest quickly and fast. And this is the method. All you need is that pen and a tablet, just like this. So what can you do with just a pen and a tablet? You can receive a marriage proposal. You can save a relationship. You can get a new car or a new home. You can pay off all your bills. You can attract large sums of money. You can help your career become super successful. And yes, you can facilitate physical healing. When you emotionalize a statement, it more rapidly penetrates your subconscious mind and allows you to manifest almost instantly. So what do you have to do? You get a pen and you get a notebook. That's it. That's step 1. Now, I know a lot of you have used affirmations, and affirmations can be great. As a matter of fact, I have a book coming out on affirmations very soon. But one of the problems with affirmations is unless you have crafted the affirmation yourself, and unless you've emotionalized it, put emotion into it, it oftentimes doesn't have the impact. You want to craft a statement, write out a statement, a present tense statement that elicits positive emotions and at the same time connects you with source energy, with the universe, with God. Unlike affirmations that you may say over and over and over again, this is only 30 seconds of your time. So don't just say it, write it down. You have to write it. That's part of the process. Something magical happens in your energy field, in your neurology, in your subconscious mind when you write it. And there's something to be said about analog over digital. And this, look at, I know you want to type it out on your computer. Write it in a tablet. It's that simple. So I know many of you have used a lot of different methods, including affirmations. The problem with affirmations, another problem with affirmations, I should say, is that they take time. Okay. This won't take time. This takes 30 seconds, just 30 seconds a day. That's it. So affirmations mostly matriculate from your conscious mind to your subconscious mind through repetition and through just saying it over and over and over again until you eventually Eventually, it gets into your subconscious mind and it becomes a new belief. In order for manifestation to take place, a belief must be formed in the subconscious mind. And the subconscious is the connecting link with the infinite. It's the connecting link with the mind of God. So, what you want to do next is you have your notebook, you have your pen, you're going to write a deep, impactful, emotionalized present tense, underline that, present tense statement. Let me give you a few examples. From this very moment, I embrace my true self and I am living the love relationship of my dreams. Now, think about that. There's the connection with deity, with spirit, with your higher self. From this very moment, right now, from this moment, I embrace my true self and I'm living the love relationship of my dreams. Okay, not just a nice love relationship, not just a good love relationship, the love relationship of my dreams. It elicits all kinds of feelings and ideas and thoughts and pictures in your mind. And that's what helps you attract. You've written it in your book, and that's all you do every single day. Here's another one. From this moment onward, I embrace my true self and I attract money and abundance into my life for joy and happiness. Let me give you one more. Are you ready for one more? From this very moment, I embrace my true self and I am living a life of vitality and health and healing. And my body is repairing itself in miraculous ways. Now, if you're a person who needs healing in your life, this is an incredible statement to write down every single day. Write it in your notebook and carry your notebook with you, or do as I do. I just leave it on my desk so it's always there. You write it down, you feel it as you write it down for about 30 seconds, and then you are done with it. Move on with your life and allow your subconscious to do the work. Be patient, stay with it, and don't miss a day. Remember, it only takes 30 seconds of your time, so you have no excuse for missing a day. Some people like to reread their notebook before they fall asleep. That's up to you. It's optional, but you don't have to. Soon you will notice your beliefs, thoughts, and feelings changing. That's called self-reprogramming. And as you start to notice you feel different, you think differently, all of a sudden, the outside world is going to change. The driving power behind this, high flyers, is your intention. The secret is to align your intention with your desires. And that's what this emotionalized statement that you have created does. As you do this for 30 seconds every day, prepare for something. Are you ready? Prepare for the universe to deliver to you whatever you desire. Whatever you have written down that's what's going to it may be even bigger and better. I'm getting excited. It may be even bigger and better than you can express. That's okay. The universe knows deep down what you desire. It's absolutely critical, high flyers, that you take care of your subconscious mind, that you allow only good stuff to go into your mind, and therefore only good stuff or great stuff will come out. That's why I created Miracle Hypnosis Online.com. It's not just ordinary hypnosis. This is deep meditation and it's relaxing. And there are so many choices to choose from. And you can try it for 7 days free. There's a whole number of different tracks on a number of different topics. and you can try it all 7 days, absolutely free. MiracleHypnosisOnline.com. Now, speaking of your subconscious mind, this video, it will also help you on your journey.